welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today we are making another quick and easy recipe. I know I have not been here in a while, but I am so glad to be back. We are making some lobster, shrimp, sausage, and cheesy grits, and for starter I simply season the shrimp, and now I'm going to season the lobster. And to season my protein, I use the organic meat seasoning from Lobster seasoning. I just had the link right there. If you're interested and want to check out our seasoning, you may go ahead and click in the link in the description. And if you are new here, my name is Claude Mort. I am the owner and founder of Lobster Seasoning. Lobster Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic blend seasoning. And in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post a lot of small business tips and also show how I package my orders. If you're interested in this type of content, please remember to subscribe. And now I am simply going to get all my ingredients ready. For the sauce, I will be adding some tomatoes, some red bell peppers, and some onions. So I'm simply going to cut them all and get my ingredients prepared before we start making the sauce. And also, if you are new to my channel, I have made two different grit recipes. So I'm going to link them right here, and I also put the link of this recipe in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. Those are different varieties that you can make your grits, and trust me, they all taste wonderful. So while you're there, please remember to subscribe. And for the cheesy grit, it's going to be simple. We're simply going to add the grit, and we are going to keep stirring so we don't have any clumps. After that, I'm adding some butter, then I'm adding some heavy cream, and then I'll be adding some Laughing Cow cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and some chopped cheddar. This recipe is simple and it is very tasty and comforting. I like to make this especially on Sundays when I don't have nothing else to do, because after eating this, it'll put you in a coma. So this is what the cheesy grit looks like, and now I'm going to start making the sauce. And to make the sauce, it's very easy. I'm going to heat up some oil, then I'm going to cook the sausage. I like to let the sausage get brown. While the sausage is cooking, I'm just going to pop the lobster in the air fryer, and we are simply going to cook it for 8 minutes. Not much, because we don't want it to be too chewy. After that, I'm going to take the sausage out, then we are going to saute all the vegetables, which will be also the onions and the bell peppers. And for the sauce, I'm not adding any water. I'm just going to use the same seasoning. Anything that remains in the bowl, I'm going to use the rest of the seasoning. Then I simply saute all the veggies, and after that I add the shrimp. This step, I make sure I do it fast because I don't want the shrimp to be overcooked. And whatever seasoning was left, I just added a little bit of water to rinse the bowl and then add it in there. Then I added back the sausage and let it simmer. And this is what the lobster look like after 5 minutes. And this is the final recipe. This is the grit, and this is the final product. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to follow. It was quick and easy. It is something you can have for breakfast, you can have for brunch. I enjoy having this meal, especially with a nice mimosa, but this time I had it in the afternoon, but I still enjoyed it either way. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe. If you have any question, any comments, please make sure to have them below. And if you also have any ideas on how I could make this meal, please, any ideas are welcome. Feel free to have them in the comment below as well. Quick announcement, guys, we are already getting prepared for our fall sale so that everybody can get their seasoning on time for Thanksgiving. So remember, go ahead, join our newsletter so you can be notified. And coming up next, for our next video, guys, we have a great red beans with lamb stew coming up. So please remember to subscribe so you can be notified when we drop this video. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until the end of this recipe, and I will see you next time.
Cooking made easy.